Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you create red packet into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create red packets, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after that, just simply tap to this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after that you will get a bunch of options. Just simply tap to more services into recommended section, and after tapping into there you just simply have to scroll down a bit, or you can directly select gift and campaign option into here, and then you will get to see this red packet option into gift and campaign. Select that, and then you will get this option of create into this red packet section. Now in order to create, tap to create button. Now after that, you just simply have to enter number of gifts you would like to pack into red packet, and then you have to enter an amount into here. Just simply enter the total red packet amount and then enter the gift wishes into the text format. And after entering this, you can just simply tap to continue and pay the amount required to make your red packet. And this way you can very easily create red packet and send it to your friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.